So today when I went to the FordPass app, when it opened it had here this new vehicle alert. It said update successful, check out what's new. You see here that little green arrow pointing down with the check mark, and the car you see a similar icon. You press that, and also when you press it in the app you get both sides the same message. So I open it, it says update successful, and here it shows the date when I received it. And then the next it says check out what's new. 4 power-up software updates like this enhance the quality, capability and convenience of the vehicle. Next it says what is in the update. So this update is Ford Power-Up 2.8.2 for BlueCruise delivery plus minor changes. I mean, I had for BlueCruise already delivered. I assume this is just the final update which completes it. So here it says, if your Ford Mustang Mach E is equipped with the Ford Copilot 360 Active 2.0 prep package, your Ford BlueCruise hands-free highway and driving feature has now been delivered. This completes what we call Product Improvement 21G01. There is nothing you need to do except enjoy the update. So here it tells you that 21G01, this is what they advertised, that you can go to the dealer and get it pushed manually. So what else does it say? Ford BlueCruise allows you to drive hands-free on pre-qualified sections of divided highways called hands-free blue zones. You will know BlueCruise is active when your instrument lighting turns blue and the word hands-free appear with a steering wheel graphic. At that point you can remove your hands from the steering wheel. Of course you are still expected to keep your eyes on the road, and you'll be monitored by the driver-facing camera. Remember, your FordPass Connect modem must be connected for BlueCruise to work. See your owner manuals for details. There's a lot of interesting information in this little chapter here, because it says you clear it works for pre-qualified section of divided highways, which called hands-free blue zones. I checked out the Ford website. They have not an updated map for the zones, but they said soon it will appear. But for me it works more or less on all major freeways and interstates. Also, it really tells you BlueCruise is active when you have the hands free and the steering wheel shown on the screen. So BlueCruise is hands free. Just an intelligent cruise control is not BlueCruise. If you have to touch your hand, if you have to touch your steering wheel like every 20 seconds or so, your BlueCruise is not active. Also, what's really interesting, they mentioned the driver-facing camera. In my video where I got BlueCruise, you can really see how the driver-facing camera works. I will try to put the link to the video here on top of this video, or just check the video description. And then also, what's very interesting, FordPass Connect modem must be connected for BlueCruise to work. Make sure the modem is connected. Here they say in the operator manual there is more details. Then an additional information is, if you purchase the Mustang Mach E Select but did not purchase the Comfort Technology package, then your vehicle does not have the hardware necessary to support BlueCruise. However, this update still prepares your vehicle for future upgrades. So here we have it. All Mustang Mach E Select which do not have the Comfort Technology package, they cannot have BlueCruise. But still the update is needed for some other upgrades. And then it says, note, you may have already received some of this functionality in prior update, but this version has been fine-tuned and includes additional tweaks to other features. Like I said, even me, I had BlueCruise already, and I thought I'm done, but apparently here it's a fine-tuning and it gets additional features. The last sentence, it says, ongoing updates like this help you enjoy the best possible version of your vehicle. So, I want to ask you all for a favor. If you read here Ford Power-Up 2.8.2, if you see your car has the same update, do me the favor and check what enhancements you experience besides BlueCruise. Comment below or send me an email with those features. I would really like to know what's new, what I might have missed. You can also send me an email to bentheevguy@gmail.com if you don't want to comment below. Then I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I read every comment, I read every email, and I really wish you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.